Okay, I'm doing this operation 2 separately only because I'm trying to add in the soft jaws simulation. All right, so I got soft jaws and the part. So this is no soft jaws, and let me just update this. Get rid of the red there. Okay. So here's your part, right? And if I use the setup, it'll have about that much material there left. And I actually am incorrect on the setup. I can't use the corner. This would not be correct. So we made the soft jaws, which is these. I'm going to shut this setup off. This is your shape right here. So I believe what we're going to do is we're going to go off the corner of the jaw as our 0. And because we'll know where this is, that we know how to get to the shape. The Z surface will be based on this surface here, and we'll have to shift it up by the thickness of the part, which I believe is 750. And we're going to use this corner here for our reference. We're going to use this corner for X0, Y0. So our setup, let's see if I can make this work. Edit, model box point. So it's either we're going to use that or we're going to use the center hole. That might even be a better option. Okay. Model orientation or Z and X axis. Let me just select this. And origin or selected point. Let me see if I can do this. Alright, so that would work, only I don't want the Z to be this surface here. I want it to be down here. Okay, I think I'm going to make it the middle of this round hole here. And we're going to figure out the distance from here to the hole. So we're going to go edit, and we're going to pick this right here. Oops, that's a little bit low. Orientation, I'm going to pick this. Model box point. It's trying to use some of the jaws as the model, so let's shut off the jaws. Cancel, shut the jaws off. Back to setup. There we go. Right there. Okay. Huh, why is it doing that? Still trying to recognize the model. Let's see here. Oh, I see. Model, we want this. Then we're going to use model box point, and we're going to pick box point. Not recognizing the middle of this. Model orientation. I'm going to do select X and Y. Nope. That's orientation. So X and Y are correct. Model box, X-axis edge, model box point, model origin. No, that wouldn't work. Selected point. There we go. Right there. Yeah, that'd be a good location. So we can control this surface, and actually, if we drill through the whole block from the beginning, we can probe the middle of this hole. So I might change how we do this setup. But we'll use this for our orientation. All right, hit OK. Z height less than height of selected model. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to do edit the tool. I'm going to go get my tools from operation. Nope, not that one. Op1. This one here. Pick face mill, select, and stock is recognized. Hot. We're going to use stock, stock top, model top to finish line. We have step downs. I'm going to go back to 40 thousandths, and yep, that should all work. And what do we get for a warning here? Setup height less than height of selected model. Setup height, edit. Setup height. Top height. Oh, wait a minute. Setup height. Model top 0. Stock top. That's the top of the stock. Retract height, stock top, and that. I don't see an issue there. Okay. And let me go check the setup one more time. And they put in, oh, aha. 0.23. Fixed size box. I think I was using relative size box. And side offset of 0.025. Yep, and I make the top offset 0.23 and the bottom one negative 0.75. Hit OK and redo the generate. Hit OK and yes. Alright, so now I'm going to delete this one. Ooh, look at that. Why did it do that? Alright, so that one got fixed. So we're going to go back to the chamfer tool, which I think is really tool, yeah, it's going to be tool 5. I'm going to select the Op1 tool. So I really need to renumber the tools from operation 1. Renumber. Yep. And I'll select this one, chamfer select. All right, let's check the geometry selections. Everything looks good. Good. Yep, hit OK and regenerate. So that's all done now. Okay. So I'm going to call this operation 2. And we'll turn the jaws back on. What happened to the other jaw? Fixed jaw. Okay, this fixed jaw and all right. So if I actually turn on simulate and I turn on stop on collision, we can see if anything hits anything. Okay, press play. And yeah, starting to cut the top. And we can add engraving on this, so. Okay. So this is our soft jaws setup. And I'll probably even add the vise setup. So if we pre-drill the hole deep, so it pokes through the bottom, we take the probe and probe the inside of this. That'll get us our XY, and we probe the bottom of this, that'll get us our Z. The other thing I may do is add in a setup sheet. So I'm going to hit top view, and I need to shut that tool off. And I'm going to make a drawing. from design. Alright, so I'm going to use my templates, and I'm going to use full assembly or visible only. How about that? Let's try to see what that one does. I'm going to use this as a setup sheet for the second side. Alright, so it didn't show the soft draws. They're whited out here. And that's with soft draws. I think that's what I want. I'm going to change the scale to 1:1. I do not need that view. I don't think I need that view either, so I'm going to make this one I think I'll make it that. Close. And I want the dimension of where this is to here. 1.25, and the dimension from here to there. That will give us an optional way to find the middle of that thing. So I'm going to